NodeJs versus Python, which is a perfect match for your product. Selecting the right technology that meets your business requirements is a challenging job. One of the most popular choices nowadays is Node.js and Python. It can serve your long-term and short-term goals. Things to consider when choosing between Node.js and Python. Node.js gives you speed if your product needs high-volume data transmission. It handles requests simultaneously rather than one at a time as in Python. It suits event-driven and real-time data processing environments better than Python. Why use Node.js as backend technology for your product? Node.js is a popular backend technology known for being fast and scalable. Easy to learn. A solid option in the developer community. High performance and faster. Has fewer libraries for big data handling. Why use Python as backend technology for your product? Python is easy to learn and has many modules and libraries that allow for robust backend development. Robust backend development. Build fast and scalable products. Versatile programming language. Object-oriented programming styles. Comparative analysis between Node.js and Python. Are you still confused about choosing the best one? Node.js is great for low latency needs, and Python is great when you don't have many requests. Before making your decision, you must look for your business requirements and budget set. Now, you must be looking for a reliable partner. Connect with an expert team of backend developers at ValueCoders.